Hello, this is the day of the week highlighting template at SharePoint-dashboards.com. And the purpose of this template is to provide row highlighting for SharePoint records based on a date. So that could be the created date, it could be another date field that you're using, but it just provides a nice way to visually differentiate between those different days of the week. So you'll see a group of those. So the preview shows you the idea of what this template will do for you. And you'll notice on the left-hand side, there is a setting for each of the 7 days. Now, when you use this template, what you should do is go ahead and assign your own colors. You can simply delete these rows and then re-add rows for each of the days of the week. And you can select from these different options for color highlighting. You don't have to use a different color for each day unless you want to. You could do, for example, weekends in gray and then all the weekdays in blue, whatever style that you prefer. You do need to make sure that you have an entry for each of those 7 days as described in the settings below. And you need to provide the date field that's going to be used to check for the date. As I mentioned, you could show the default created field, which is a part of every SharePoint list, if that's what you want to use, or if you have another date field that you want to reference, that's fine too. In my case, I've got a date field which I called DAO, as in day of the week, DAO date, and I need to make sure I put that into the configuration. And I'm going to stick with the default options for the theme. You can do things like turn the border lines on and off. You could change the text color to something different if you wanted to. So there's some other tweaks that you can make if you want to adjust the look and feel of your template. And that's pretty much it. I can go ahead and copy my template and I'll follow the directions in the box. Come over to SharePoint, go to that View selector, and then I want to scroll down and select Format Current View, click Advanced Mode, and then select the code and paste in your template, then click Save. And then you can see the effect of what's going on here. So based on these dates, these are the different days. And so this helps me to see, which are weekend dates and which are the days in the week. It happens in my case, I've got a single record per day of the week. But naturally it's just going to format according to what you have in your list. So that's pretty much it. This is a really easy to use template. There are some other row highlighting templates. You can highlight based on status or do alternating row highlighting. So there's some other options that are here on this site. This template is a part of the subscription package. If you have not yet used this tool, you can sign up for 21 free templates. You just need to provide a name and an email when you come to the site, so you can try that out first. And then if you wish, you can go on to get the subscription, which includes hundreds of template options. Good luck.